Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What an amazing end to another amazing week here. Can't believe it. Absolutely fantastic. Just checking all the streams, looking around the room. So we're getting ready now to ring the bell. Good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. That audio. There we go. Final time this week. We've had a real rally today on the S&P. This is my portfolio. Remember, I started with $5,000 and we are now up to 68,103. Absolutely fantastic. On the road to $1 million. And no margin at the moment, but we do have $100,000 on standby, 99,513. You can see it there. If I need to use it, I can. But yeah, the markets are rallying lovely at the moment. Right, let's go into our positions, have a look at some things you may have missed as well. Some things you may have missed this afternoon. So I'm going to put out some information, and I've done some more reviews for you folks. So going to call out some names. Do we have Mr. Hankey in the show? Paul Knowles, Ranveer Lavosia, Bill Oberkirsch. Do we have John McGillivray, Tokash Charles, Michelle, Kevin B, and Go DB? If any of those people are in the show this afternoon, I've got your reviews for you. I've been very, very busy and I've got everything done. So we've done all the super chatted reviews now, which is fantastic. Now then, I've just put out some information that you may have just missed. So if we scroll down to the videos, let's see, has anyone added any clips today? Top community clips. These are the top ones. I wonder if we can sort these in any way. These are the ones that have got the most views, I suppose. I don't know. Anyway, these are the reviews that you've been sending in, top community clips. But that wasn't what I wanted to show you. What I wanted to show you was we have the four things have been done today for you. We've got Acoustis analysis. That's for Paul Knowles. That goes live in an hour from now. Vichy stock. I've been saying Vicky. Is it actually Vichy? I've just found out that might be Vichy, but there you go. It's live TV, isn't it? Right, and then you've got WRAP, $10 price target I've put on it now, and I explain why a $10 price target. That video just came out. If you've missed it, if you've not got a red line underneath a video, you know you've not watched it. So these haven't premiered yet. And the red line means you've watched it all the way through. Okay, that's what it means. Okay, so we've just done that. And now also, if you go to the past live streams, a new feature, I'll show you better on this screen. If I go over here, on past live streams now, I've got a new feature to make the viewing experience better for you. It's not better for me. It's better for me that you watch the whole video, but I've got a way of doing things that makes it easy for you to watch and get what you want from the video. So if you go to the homepage of the channel, right here, and you look down for past live streams. So there's the past. There's just loading up. There's this morning's show, past live streams. Okay, if I click on there, what you do is you can now see right here at the top. See, it says intro. Just there, look, in the play bar. Same on mobile, same on laptop, same on iPad, right? Same on computer. You click the intro, all right, and it brings up the chapters. Look here on the right hand side, so you can go straight to the parts that you like. So if you wanted to know what was going on with WRAP Technologies today, the news update, you can just click on that. And boom, straight away, here on Martyn Lucas Investor, WRAP Tech. Start again. Breaking news here. Now that was edited out in the actual video, but in the live show, that's what you got, right? So there you go. That's the way you can find parts of the show without scrolling all the way through. It makes it easier for you. Now we did a poll the other day. Let me just come out of there a minute. We did a poll the other day asking how many of you are using the chapters. Have you ever used the chapters? It's there to help you. So what I want to do now is to do a quick poll again and see if it's changed. So I want to see if anyone is using the chapters. Okay, so let me run a poll right now. Here we go. There's a little poll for you. Engage with the audience. Start a poll. So, are you using the chapters? They're there to help you, make it easier for you. All right. Are you using the chapters? Yes. No. Not yet. Okay. That's the 3 options. So yes, you are using them. No, you've never, you're not using them, or not yet. So you obviously intend to use them. All right. Let's see how that's changed since we did it the other day. All right. Okay. Let me read all the comments here. Good evening, Crag. How are you doing? Lovely to have you here. Jeffrey Diamond. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Lovely to see you all. Lance Strength. Good afternoon to you. Jeffrey Diamond. Hi, Jeffrey and Lance. Wadey, how are you? Good to see you. Jeffrey Diamond. Oh, should I bring up? It's been a while, isn't it? It's been, a couple of weeks? Probably time. It's probably time for the Mugs Gallery, isn't it? I haven't done it for a while. Let's have a little look. I'll do it. Where is it? Okay, here we go. Here is the Rogues Gallery. I haven't done this for a while. Let's have a look at the Rogues Gallery. And there you go. These are our members who've got the mugs. Thank you very much indeed for sending these pictures in. You're absolutely great. Look at these mugs. Aren't they fantastic? So if you get one of my if you get a merchandise mug, or a t-shirt or a hat or anything, just send a picture in, and I love to have it on the show. There's Mikelet. So there you go. Love you to send that in. That'd be awesome. There you go. There's a few more there, look. Jason Fallon from Australia. There you go. Awesome stuff. There you go. Just nice to share these little pictures, I think, from time to time. There you go. All right. So if you'd like to do that, that would be absolutely great. Let me just check this a minute. I thought so. Yeah. Got different set of pictures over there, look. Got a different set of pictures. Thought so. Let me just turn that round a minute. Let me turn that camera around. These are the updated ones. I knew there was something different about that. There you go. So you can see I've updated some of these pictures. So if you know which one you are on there. Oh, hang on a minute. What's going on here? What's going on? I'm just looking at something a second, guys. Let's have a look. I've got a little issue here. Let me just check this is right. It's going to unable to connect to. What is going on here? Just bear with me. Since I updated my restream, I've had a few issues. Let me make sure I've done this right. And I know it's frustrating to do this during a show, but it's the only time I can actually do it. Go live. This should be here now. Slot 7. Just bear with me a second. Oh, I see what I've done. I actually made an error. 8N. Hopefully this will work now. Let's see if I can fix this. Okay. Let's try that again. This should be edit. Okay. Please just bear with me a second. Just making sure I've done everything right. Okay. I think I fixed it. Yes, I have. I have fixed it. Ed Spitz is going, you've left me on the camera. What's going on? Sorry about that. Let me come out of the Lucas mugs now. Go back to here and bring that back up again. Bring that back up. And we should be good to go again. All right. Sorry about all of that confusion. Right. I had to upgrade my system the other day, and there's been a few issues since I've done it. Hopefully it'll all work its way out. Anyway. So anyway, where was we? Let me carry on reading the comments. So, Wadey, hello to you. Hi, Crag. Evening, Wadey. Evening, all. Margin. Valentine C. Always says margin. No idea why. Hope everyone's making money today. Yes, look at Wrap today. I just put out a video telling you why I think it's going to $10, explaining why. So hopefully you'll have a look at that. Now, we might have on the show today, we might have a phone call phoning into the show directly from Wrap itself. So we shall see. I'm expecting the possibility of a call coming in. We'll see if it does. Anyway, let's see if it does. There might be some information coming in. All right. Okay. Hope everyone's making money, says Radiant Smile. Hello, all. Mike, watching for the first time. Well, dear, oh dear, Teresa. I do apologise. You've come on a day. I had some technical issues, but there you go. Teresa, Karuna, where are you from? Are you still here after all that chaos? Let's see if you're still here with me. Teresa. Yes, yes, you're still here. Let me just check. Are you still on the stream? Are you still here? Where are you from? I apologise for that. I had some technical issues there. I've been upgrading my systems. I need to make sure it was all working. Craig, good afternoon. Hi, Mike. Are you live on Rumble this evening? On my music channel? Yes, I am. I am. So I'll be on Rumble tonight. So this is me on Rumble right now. This is my investor channel. This is where we are live right now. And tonight, on my music channel on Rumble, I'll be there. So let me share with you how this works. If I click this, there is my music channel. There you go. Look, there's the music channel. And there is the investor channel. So yes, I will be there tonight. Thank you for asking. Let's have a look on the homepage of Rumble. If we go to the homepage of Rumble, you can scroll down and we can see what have we got here? We've got top live categories. Those are the categories. So if we go into music, entertainment, finance. I think we've got finance down here. If we scroll down, let's scroll down onto the finance section, which is there, and you can see we're right there. Look, we're right there on the homepage of the channel. But yes, I'll be on my music channel tonight. So thank you for asking. Indeed, I will be. Francescos, hey family, how are you doing? Martin, do you have a Swedish flag there? No, I don't. There's no. We got no members from Sweden. No members from Sweden yet. So let me fly the flag. There you go. No, we don't. Let me just double check. We've got 57 countries, members in 57 countries, which is pretty incredible. Chile, USA, England, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, India, Switzerland, Poland, Belgium, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Singapore, Scotland, Wales, Cuba, Brazil, Afghanistan, and Libya. So no, we do not have anybody from Sweden at the moment. Why? Do you know somebody that wants to join from Sweden? We don't. I'm from Malta. We don't have anybody from Malta either. So, Teresa, if you'd like to fly the flag for your country, there are many, many perks and benefits. It's not about me getting $2. It's not about that. It's me providing the best service, aiming to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. And once you become a member, you get many, many perks. Members-only live streams, members-only chats. There are lots and lots of things. You can request a review of a stock. You get a request in my live show, my live concert, which is tonight. You also get a birthday celebration, a 20-minute fundraiser. Go on the homepage of my channel, and I will get everyone to subscribe to you because the family support everybody here. Also, you can have, we got our giveaways, which is, you don't need to be a member for that, but my newsletter sends out a birthday card to you. I support you on social media, many, many things. If you'd like to be a member, here is the link in the chat. I'll give it to you right now. And this is the link. If you're on an iPhone, you'll need to be on a desktop browser, on a browser on your iPhone, and select desktop version. Anyway, there you go. So no, we do not have a member from Sweden, and we do not have a member from Malta either. And Teresa, what is your native language? What is the language of Malta? Is it Maltese? Let me know, and I'll speak to you in your language. All right? So let me know. And anyway, it's lovely to have you here. Let's go through the questions. Hello, Francesco. Yes, I'm from Malta. Hi, Crag. Sri Ram, good afternoon to you. Now then, let's go for all our positions. We do have some premieres coming out tonight that you don't want to miss. So if you want the all links button, by the way, to get the newsletter, I've just dropped that into the chat for you as well. There you go. And I'll make sure that my Rumble audience have that as well. Let me just grab that. Let me grab that. And let me put that over there. Don't want that over there. I want it up there. There we go. Okay, let me just drop this into my Rumble audience. Here you go. This is the all links button. There you go. Let me put that there for you. And let me give it to my Rumble audience. Now, my Rumble audience, I'll see you tonight on Rumble on my music channel. So, Francesco Santos, I have a few events. What do I have to do for you to raise the Swedish flag? Francesco Santos, you have to be a member, and you are. Where are you from? What country are you from? It has to be the country you're from. So let me know what country you're from. Okay. Now then, these are the events we have for you tonight. So in less than an hour from now, we've got Acoustis analysis. This is the premiere that this live event will go to straight after the show tonight. That's in 55 minutes. Then we've got the music concert. This is my music concert tonight. That's where that video will go to, another live event for you. If you want to join my music concert tonight, let me give you the link. Here we go. I'll give you the link right now. Let me drop it in there. Okay, let me give everybody the link for that. There's the music concert. And then right after the music concert, we have Vichy. We have Vichy analysis as well. You might want to learn about Vichy. Now, this morning, I apologize. I was saying Vicky, and I think it's Vichy. So I hope I'm not going to get in trouble for that. But anyway, I think it's Vichy. I was saying Vicky this morning, V-I-C-I. Anyway, I'm now looking at it thinking, Caesar's Palace, Italian, it's probably Vichy. Anyway, there you go. So Francesco is smiling. I'm from Sweden. Francesco Santos. Are you actually from Sweden? Why have you never told us that before then? I'm from Sweden. Well, why didn't you say so? Okay. Well, let's add your country then. So we've now got 58 countries represented. Let me add Sweden to the list. I don't know why you didn't say. You've been doing it for ages. Okay. So let me edit it now. I'll put Sweden in for you. Here we go. Just bear with me. I do it live. If I don't do it now, it won't get done. So let me add Sweden to the list. I'm just putting it in. Sweden. Sweden. There it is. Sweden's now on the list. There we go. And here it comes. If you watch now, Francesco, in a couple of seconds, you will see channels all over the world are offended. I know, probably. MSK, I spoke to you the other day on the show saying, did you want to speak to me after the show? I was calling out because I know you wanted to catch up with me. I think we missed each other again. I know it's difficult. We're both extremely busy, but there you go. I was trying to catch up with you, but never mind. Try me again. We'll try it again. Thanks, Martin. You're very, very welcome. Amazon is running up too. Let's have a look at Amazon. Yes, it is 3% today. Look at that. The big positions on the S&P are up big time. Look at that. Yeah, incredible. Amazon is running too. Francesco, it channels all over the world. Francesco, you're very, very welcome. S&P 500 is up 1,600 points in a year and my portfolio hasn't moved. Oh, Leo, long-term investing sucks. What do you mean it hasn't moved? How can it have not have moved? Let me share with you my portfolio. I've only been in the S&P now for 3 weeks. And look at that. I mean, how can you not? This month, I have to go from here because that's where I got out of all the stocks. So just there, look, I was down over the month, 8,500. So there you go. I've made $2,000 in the last 3 weeks. This is when I got out of all the stocks. Decided to do it for the benefit of the channel here. 8.5 grand, and now we're over here. I've made $2,000 just on this account. So how could you possibly not? I mean, just 3 weeks, I've made $2,000 on that account. I mean, you can see, because if I go into my, the best way of showing you actually is here. If I go into my, there you go. I've made, my total return is $1,200 on my Roth IRA position. And if I go my S&P in here, 2,200. So that's $2,300, $3,500 in 3 weeks. $3,500 in 3 weeks. So how can you say the S&P is up, but yet your portfolio hasn't moved? I'm not sure how that works. Anyway. Let's have a look. Investing time to day trade and scalp. Be careful, Leo Subri. Remember, 95% of traders lose. Long-term investors always win long-term, which is what you want, really. You invest for today. You invest today for tomorrow, not for 5 minutes. All right? Let's think about that. Remember what I've always said, own the casino, don't play the casino. So did you see Francesco Santos, did you see your Swedish flag come up? No need to apologize at all, mate. No need to apologize at all. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that at all, mate. Hey, Martin, does your studio have windows for the oddball case you want some natural light? No. Well, it does have windows. Look, if you look up here, see there is some light still getting through because some of the soundproofing fell off the window. But if we zoom back, you'll see up there, above this unit here, there's a window. And in that window, it goes right up in the air. As it zooms back, you'll see more and more of it. The window goes up like 6 foot. It's a really big window. And it's all black at the top because the soundproofing is all over the top. But those little spaces just there, the bit of the soundproofing fell off. So there is a window, but it's all blocked up. So no, there's no light in here at all. So the studio looks the way it looks for soundproofing, audio, quality and all the rest of it. Yeah. So I'm basically a vampire. I live in the dark all my life. Anyway, evening Crag, evening. Whoa, SP500 finally over 5,000. I think you mean 5,000. Anyway, it's been a great run. Yeah. You did. Great. You saw your flag. Fan-flippin-tastic. Here it comes again. Here comes, there's Brazil, Afghanistan, Libya, and finally, Sweden. That's the flag of Francesco Santos. There you go. There's his flag. Right, he's finally got his flag on the show. I cannot believe it's taken so long. But we fixed it in the end. Which is great. Has Jojo left for good? I've no idea where he is. I did hear today. I will tell you, because lots of you have been asking about Martyn Racer. You wanted to hear from Martyn Racer. And I've been telling everybody that, no, he hasn't sold his position in his stocks. However, he's left our show. He messaged me today and said, I follow the show for news, not for reviews, so I've unsubscribed. I don't know why he would message me to say he's unsubscribed, but he did. I don't know why, but he did, and that's fine. I'm just passing on to you because we all enjoyed his input. We found him, a great member of the family and information, and it was great having him on the show. And he called in, but he said no. He actually just messaged me and said I've unsubscribed. In fact, I think I can share the message with you. I was surprised that he messaged me just to tell me that. I don't know why. Oh, hang on a minute. I beg your pardon. Not Martyn Racer. Not Martyn Racer. It was Mitch NL. It wasn't Martyn Racer. I apologize. It wasn't. It was Mitch NL. Mitch NL, which is a shame, equally, but I don't know why you would tell me that. But he did. This is what he said here. It was Mitch NL. Hi, Martin. I decide to unsubscribe from your channel because I'm searching for a channel that gives news. I don't like all those reviews of stocks. I understand people are asking you to make those, so you made it. Okay, there you go. And I replied back, okay, fair enough. I was just catching up. In fact, can I edit that? I just misspelt it. Edit message. I was just catching up. Back to normal now. I guess I can't please everybody all the time, right? It's impossible. So sorry, it wasn't Martyn Racer at all. It was Mitch NL. I decided to unsubscribe from your channel because I'm searching for a channel that gives news. Well, we do give news. We do everything. We do whatever you want. We can't work harder at providing news and live events. We cover everything that everybody wants. But there you go. He didn't like the reviews, but I was just doing it to catch up. And I apologize for confusing people. It wasn't Martyn Racer. It was Mitch NL from the Netherlands. Right. Okie dokie. Right. Let's have a look. I think everyone gets them times when they need a breather. And the markets, he will be back, I would say. We will PayPal and not... We are PayPal and we are not selling, says Niels. Yeah. Okay. Space is up. I put some news about it today on the show. I said it was a bullish sentiment today. I put that video out, didn't I? So I hope you all saw that. Palantir, gold, the S&P, Amazon. Look at Amazon today, up 2.8%. Apple is up. NEE is up. Enphase is up. 122 now. Can you believe it? Why would you announce you're unsubscribing? I don't know. It's strange. I don't know. I mean, I want feedback. I guess he's probably thought he was providing feedback, but it seems a bit strange to say, I'm unsubscribing from your channel. I mean, I guess, it's, I've always believed in, just say nice things. I mean, he's entitled to say what he wants, but there you go. I've decided to unsubscribe from your channel. There you go. Must have done it for attention. I don't know why. It is weird, isn't it? But there you go. I thought I'd read it out. Hello, legends. Target Finance. Hello, Target Finance. How are you today? Lovely to have you here. Up 80% on Amazon. You're up 80% on Amazon. Fantastic. That's great. Congratulations to you. Coca-Cola is down. J&J is flat. It's up slightly. Kenvue is flat. Chevron is going down. Can't understand why Chevron's going down. See, it's very hard to read the markets. You're thinking that Chevron will be going up because of oil crisis, and yet it's going down. It's crazy. Tesla's doing well. 192 now. Rivian. McDonald's going down. Google, that's up 2% today. Microsoft, 1.4. It's brilliant, isn't it? Tilray, we can't keep running though. We have to have trim offs though. IonQ, I've got that $4,000 waiting for a drop to buy more. I mean, I'm 95% in, so when it goes up, it's great. But you've always got to hold some cash in case we get a drop. Plug Power is up 2.74. Rumble is down. Funware is down. ASTS. Well, since we reported on this, how well has this done? Shopify Shop. Amit Dewan, please review. Sorry, Amit, it's a members only perk, I'm afraid. You have to be a member for me to do that. Otherwise, I would have millions of reviews to do and I would never even sleep again. I've got about 70 on the list as it is for my members. So it's a members only perk, I'm afraid. And at the moment, I'm not even taking any reviews on that list until I catch up and bring it down. So if anybody wants a review now, you have to be a member. And if you want to jump the list, you have to do a super chat. Otherwise, I'm not adding any more at the moment. All right. Anyway, let's have a look. 120% on Palantir. Yes. Amit, I'd love to do it for you. But as I say, it's a members only. I've given you the link if you want to become a member. I used to be Rossi Pop, if you remember. I do remember. You mentioned it yesterday, and it's lovely to have you here. It really is. Down 25% on Alibaba, down 20% on Enphase. But I was born in Brazil. Yes, but I was born in Brazil. Yes, MSK, I have an Italian name. Love Italy. So you were born in Brazil, but you live in Sweden. Is that what you're saying? Space industry stocks getting a little bit of a bump up today. Yes, let's have a look at Rocket Lab. Well, it's up 1%. Virgin Galactic is up 1.7%. RAP is up 5% today. We've been watching it all day. Anyway, there we go. Now then, just to update you on a couple of things. If you've not yet seen, there's a bit of a... Oh, hang on. Before I do this, I need to reply to my messages on X. I've just been messaged on X. Let's have a quick look. I always reply to my members to help you grow on X. Up and away, says Mike. Yes. There we go. There's Mike. There we go. Updated. Wanted to make sure I've done all that. Now then, I was going to say something. What was I going to say? Something on, what was it? Something about Rumble. Right, let me do that poll now. So, are you using the chapters? Yes, no, and not yet. Okay, so yes, 20% of you are using them. Okay, no, 40% are not. And not yet. So just below the videos are chapters. It helps you find the things that you most want. Now look, we ran a poll here about HWM. We did a analysis on HWM a couple of days ago, and I asked the question, how much for an aeroplane screw? Right? Because remember, things in aeroplanes are over-engineered, ridiculous for safety and everything else. And a few people actually have worked there. There's a couple of you in the show actually who have worked at this company, which is amazing. Probably why you asked me to do it. But anyway, I said, is it a few cents, $1, $5, or more? 64% of you think that a simple screw that you'd buy a bag of for $1 at Home Depot is $5 a screw. Can you believe? More than $5 a screw. Can you believe it? 64%. And I happen to know it is a lot more because someone's, I forget the name now, but a couple of you spoke to me who worked there and said, yeah, the screws can be like up to $20 for a single screw. Incredible, right? So if you're thinking of building a plane, you might want to overlook that. You might want to pass on building a plane. It might get a little bit expensive. Anyway, I wanted to share with you a little thing that's going on at the moment that you might find interesting. I am in a competition on Rumble. Look at that. They've chose me to be in round 2 for this competition to win a prize. Now, it's not about winning a prize. It's just a bit of fun for everybody to take part in. So if I give you the link to it, let me give everybody the link to it, and you can go and comment and post it and all the rest of it. So there's my Rumble competition post. Go and have a little look. I've dropped it in the chat for you. There you go. Go and have a little look. And if you've not yet followed me on Rumble, here is my Rumble account. All right, let's see how it all goes. There you go. Now then, yes, sir. Nice to see wrap up for all. Yes, indeed. Now, I explained why, and today I gave you a price target of $10. It's on the channel. Just a video just come out about an hour ago, and I explained why I think it's going to $10. So there you go. Good afternoon, guys. Ladislav Korech. How are you this afternoon? Lovely to have you here. Okay, what kind of soundproofing do you have? I'm interested in grabbing some for my room, but don't know where to look. I tell you what I'll do. If you go to my Amazon shop, I've got the stuff that I use. So you can go and see what I've used myself. Here's my Amazon shop. And if you do go there, it will tell you all the equipment I use. So here's my Amazon shop. There you go. Randy B. Go and have a little look. It's more decorative than soundproofing. People get all carried away thinking they've got really good soundproofing, and they actually haven't. Real soundproofing is extremely expensive. What I actually have in the studio is more to black out the walls so it's darker for the lighting. It's also dampens the sound a little bit, doesn't echo around as much, keeps the sound dampened down so that the audio is good. It's not really soundproofing. Soundproofing costs an absolute fortune, Look at the subscribers, guys, 15,718. It's nearly 100 a day. It's about 90 actually, but just under 100 a day now. It's amazing, isn't it? Anyway, we're coming up to the bell. There's a few things to cover tonight, a few videos to watch. We even got the full suit on there. Is your haircut on there as well? You've even got the full suit on there. Yeah, I know. And if you use my link from Amazon to buy something on Amazon, I get a small commission. Just so you know, if you want to tip the show without it costing you any money, use my Amazon shop to go to Amazon. Doesn't cost you anything. It's just that I'm referring you to Amazon. And there's an affiliate link. And if you buy something on Amazon after going to my Amazon page, I get a little commission sometimes. Yeah, it gives a little tip to the show. If you want to do it, then fine. It doesn't cost you anything. But anyway, that's my Amazon shop. In fact, I've not looked in there for ages. Let me have a look. I've not looked in there for ages. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. I forgot about this. I've not been in here for ages. So there's my shop. Look, clothes I wear. Oh my gosh, look. You can buy the shirt. Look, the shirt I'm wearing. Look at that. Look. You can buy the jacket. It's crazy. This is for the music show. I don't wear that during this show. What else? My Christmas items for Christmas. Studio equipment. Is the soundproofing in here? The soundproofing's not in here at the moment. I need to add it in. There's my that's how my voice sounds like my voice. The compressor. There's my Neumann microphone, or one of them rather. There's the speakers. Some of the cameras. Look. There's the power supply if you want backup power. Also, what else? I've not looked in here for ages. It's quite funny looking back here. The day trader. Oh, the day trader. There's my ledger, my Nano. If you want to get yourself a wallet, you can. Health and fitness. You want to be fit and healthy? This helps me sleep at night. Why would I put this in here? It's quite funny, really, isn't it? I've not looked on it. No, I've not looked on here for ages. Anyway, there you go. Not looked on there for ages. I might buy the ledger via your link. Well, you might as well. You might as well. It costs you exactly the same, except if you use my link, I might get a couple of bucks commission. It's like a little tip without you doing anything. It's brilliant. I think everyone should do it. I think everyone should use my links to buy everything on Amazon. Every single person. Nice one, Randy. Earnings call was awful, though. Hey, Martin, sorry about earlier. I'm dealing with a few things, not having the best time. All is well. Won't do. Hey, Ed Spitzer, you don't need to apologize, mate. Don't you worry, mate. Don't you worry, mate. We all have days. We all have days. Don't worry about that. It's absolutely fine. Look, I want to share. Look, here you are. Look, we're all good. I've got you on here. Look, come and watch this. Here you go. You ready? You come up in a minute with your mug. Look, these are the Lucas mugs. There's Keen. Ain't seen him for ages. Robert Durant. Mike. Derek Sickles not been around for a while. There's Bill. Muzanella. Hope he's well. There's Wade. MSK, look. Stephen Lewandowski. Not seen him for a while either. Australia. There he is. John Granfor. And Ed Spitzer. You come up at the end in a minute. There's Paul Scott. You know who Jada Smith is. There's Bill again. He got on it twice. Don't know how he did that. There you go. Look, there's Ed Spitzer right at the end. So, Ed, don't you worry about it. We're all good, mate. We are totally good. There's no issues here at all. We all have days when we say stuff. I do it every day, mate. So don't worry about that. Okay. Niels, abysmal, really. I just sat here thinking to myself that nobody could have shot themselves in the foot any harder than these imbeciles. What was that? What imbeciles? What's happening? You're talking about the earnings call. Space stock price went from 10% up after hours to -6. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic still recovering. Let's have a look here. Okay, I think they're having a private conversation that I got no idea what they're saying, so I should probably leave it alone. Anyway, not to worry. Now then, we've got half an hour to go, so we're about to end Ladislav Go Tesla. Yes, I know. Look at it up today, 1.592, going back up again. So we're running a poll right now about the only 16% of you have used the chapters. Just so you know what we're talking about, these are the chapters. So you look at the video, right? Here's the video on mobile or computer or tablet. It doesn't matter. And just here, you can click Wrap Technologies, and you can click there, and it will bring up. See the little marker points. All right, and over here, on the right-hand side, there are all the chapters. So you might say, I want to know all about the moment he talked about Vichy properties. So you click on that and you go, Vichy properties. You click on it, and as if by magic, hey, for another stock review. This time we are talking VICI properties. I'm going to share with you a full back. There you go. Clever, innit? That's what the chapters are. It makes watching the past live streams much easier for you. So you don't have to watch through and scroll through. You find the bits you want. That's the purpose of doing that. A little bit of extra work makes it better for you, I think, right? Go Tesla. Randy B. Guidance was moi, says Niels. Right. Rivian. Wrap. Holding up. Now then, we've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. Got a couple of things. We'll end the poll now, by the way. Just so now we know. So 38% of you, not yet. So hopefully more of you might do that in a short while. Thank you for taking part in the poll. Appreciate it a lot. Right. Now then. Let me edit that down a minute. At the end of the show, in just 15 minutes, let me just make sure that this event is going to go through to it. This show should go directly to my review. Okay, so at the end of the show, we're going to, hopefully you'll all join me for Acoustis analysis. Come and join me for this so we can keep the chat going, keep the live chat going, be part of it. And then this recorded premiere, it's a live world premiere, the first time it's been aired. The premiere will go directly to the music concert, which is a live event. Hopefully you'll all join me. Friday night is music night. And then the music show will go to the other video, which is Vichy analysis. Vichy analysis. That's after the music show tonight, which is 5 p.m. Central Time. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is, to make it easy for everybody, I'm going to give you the Acoustis premiere. Here it comes. So if you want to see my stock review on Acoustis, there it is. All right. If you want to see then it will be the music concert. So let me give you the music concert, which is there, and drop it into there. Okay. And lastly, the Vichy premiere, which will follow the music concert. Let me give you the Vichy premiere as well. Okay, everybody got that? Excellent. Okay. I think Super Microcomputer SMCI is a great buy now. We did a review on that. If you want to get a review, if you want to know if I've done a review, go onto YouTube and type Martyn Lucas and then the ticker symbol. So Martyn Lucas SMCI, and you will see if I've done a review for it. And if I haven't, you can request one or what have you. Anyway, let's have a look. DWAC, next speech is February the 27th. The following speeches have court cases very close to the dates. They could harm DWAC gains. Be cautious. Did you get hold of Abel Avalan? Did I get hold Zoj? I don't know who Abel Avalan is. Zoj, I don't know who that is. Who is that person? No idea. When did you do a review, Niels? Of what? SMCI? Well, you can do the same. You can do the search. I just told you how to do it, and now you're telling me to do it. Flipping out. How lazy is that? How lazy are you? I just told you how to do it, and now you're asking me to search for it. Why don't you ask me to go on Google for you? Oh, come on, Niels. Let's have a look. I think SMI is up 100 since your review. When did you do a review? Okay, let's have a look. So what you do, you go into YouTube. Unbelievable. Why am I doing this for you? You're just being lazy now. SMCI. Is that the one? Right, and you search. See if I've done it. And the answer is yes. I've done the review for it. There you go. I did it 6 months ago. Oh my gosh, it was one of my very first reviews. So, yeah, that was a long time ago. 6 months ago. That was one of my first. Blimey, I've been doing reviews that long. Hang on, is that the only one? SMCI. Yeah, technically then, that wasn't a review. That's when I was learning how to use my computer. So I'm lazy. Yeah, we know, mate. But anyway, that's a long time ago. SMCI. So that's how you can find out. But yeah, that was a review quite a while ago. It wasn't even really a review, to be honest. It wasn't really a review. I've just realized. Huh. Oh no. I was thinking, flipping heck, look, I ranked number one. I ranked number one above CNBC with 2.6 million. It's not, I don't rank number one above CNBC with for SMCI. I rank number one for Martyn Lucas SMCI. That's completely different. You can't put that in. That doesn't count. If you do a search like that, that doesn't count. You've got to put just the stock in, not my name. Anyway, Martin, please, is it possible to have one review with my basic membership? I would love to see Tesla. Thanks. Is it possible to have one review? Ladislav Koresh. Yes, you can have a review. Ladislav, absolutely. You are a member of my channel. Everyone can have a review. But at the moment, I'm not taking any more reviews because the list is too long. I'm not adding any more to the list. What I can do is anybody who wants to jump the list, if you do a super chat, I will do your review. All right. But I'm not adding any more to the free list because there's about 70 to do. So people will, if I put you on the list, you'll be waiting a couple of months. And I don't want that because you'll be upset with me waiting a couple of months. If you want me to do the review straight away, I can't do it today, but I can do it first thing Monday morning. We can do a Tesla review. If you do a super chat, you will jump the list and I will do it on Monday. But I can't add it to the free list because there are too many. Okay? So there we go. So there's your answer. Yes, SMCI performed really well, but being cut such a height, it can drop. I think we're in a bubble, yes. I'm waiting to buy more of everything if everything drops. I think everything's got a bit crazy. Everyone's overbuying everything, if I'm completely honest. And we can see that because if we look here on the fear factor, look at this. This is when you sell. When everyone's buying, you should be selling. Look at this. Extreme greed. We are, look, 78 out of 100. Extreme greed right now. So what you should be doing is selling when everybody is buying like this, because everyone's buying for any price. Think of it like a housing boom right now. Everyone's paying top dollar for a house. So you sell a house. Simple. This is a seller's market, not a buyer's market. However, if you're a long-term investor, you are staying in, enjoying it, just, okay, it will go up and up and up. Now, eventually, it will start to come down, but it might only come down 5-10%. Who knows? And you're still up 20-30%. Who knows? All right. Okay, Ladislav, go Tesla. I have got a request for Tesla. Hey, but I don't want to sell my wrap shares. Then don't sell them then, but don't be attached. Right, Monday morning, we've got Tesla, TSLA, Tesla, and that is for Ladislav Koresh. All right. Correct. There you go. Ladislav Koresh. Okay. It's on the list for Monday. That's Ladislav's first live stream super chat. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. What is that, by the way? I have no idea what C... so let's go CZK. I have no idea what that is. Thank you very much. $5. Thank you very much. I was like, I've got no idea what that is. So Ladislav, thank you very much indeed. Monday morning, that'll be done. Zoj, your thoughts on Chewy, please.
Go Tesla, car, battery.
On Monday morning, that'll be done for you. Let's have a look here. Now, Zoj, it's a member's perk of doing a review. I can quickly look at it just for a second, but if you want a full review where I study it, make a video for you, it's a members only perk, I'm afraid. So as you've super chatted me, I will do it for you if you are a member of the channel. Let me give you the link. But it's a members only perk. I'm sorry about that because I have so many. If I did it for everybody, I would never sleep. We can like super chats now. Oh, yeah.
Your thoughts
Look at that.
on Chewy PLS.
We can like super chats. That's kind of cool. Your thoughts on Chewy. I've never looked at it. I would need to do a review on it. If you want to become a member, it's only a couple of bucks. I'm sorry I can't do it for non-members. Otherwise, the show would be in chaos. No need a video, just quick thoughts. Okay, quick thoughts. Chewy incorporates a pure play pet e-tailer, supplies medications, food. Okay. Let me now go and look at it. Chewy, let me have a quick look. So I'm not going to do a review. I'm just going to do a quick Chewy. This is just for you. Right, the valuation, it looks like it's undervalued by 16%. It's an accurate valuation, so it does look like the intrinsic value makes sense. Worst case scenario, 40% over, but base case, 16%. So I'm on about trend with the S&P 500. Its financials are looking good. The revenue is 1.11 billion, up 2%. Operating income is moving up. Net income is moving up. That's their balance sheet is 2.9 billion in assets. They've got nearly $1 billion in cash. So that's very, very strong. Liabilities, they've got no long-term debt. Which means their gross margins are good. Their solvency score is good. They're not going to go bust. 63%, very good. All the scores are good apart from short term. The profitability is good. This is just a very quick look for Chewy, as I just got a super chat to have a look at it. 58% upside from Wall Street. Insiders are selling it though. So they're taking profit from this level, though. Insiders are selling it. And lastly, we've got 22% of short interest on it. So with the right volume, it could short squeeze. And sentiment is 50% good over the last 7 days and bad today, but over 90 days, 57%. That's just a very, 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 very quick look at the stock as you asked me to do that. But if you want a full review of it, you need to be a member of my channel. But there you go. There's a little quick look at it for you. Zoj, you're very welcome. I hope that's of some help to you. All right. Okay. And you're from Singapore. We don't actually have any members from Singapore, so we'd love you to be a member. You get to fly the flag as well. Anyway, it's definitely crashing soon, but I'm not trying to time the market. We'll see what happens. Buy more wrap at the 380, 390. Let's have a look at wrap. We've got 15 seconds to go before the bell goes. Friday night. Here we go. The bell is about to go any second now in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can sponsor the bell, $20, put your name on it, and have a link underneath the video as well. If you want to sponsor the bell, the Sensei bell. There we go. The bell has gone. Wrap Technologies is still up. My portfolio is looking very nice. Remember, I started with $5,000 on the road to 100,000 within 12 months, 1 million within 12 years, no options, no shorting of the stocks, just good, solid, good old-fashioned investing and never selling. That's what I'm doing, and I'm at 68 grand, focusing on investing in myself. All right, let's have a look. Have I missed any questions? Do we know any update? Do we have any update on Sidhu? The only thing I can tell you is Martyn Racer has not sold any of his shares. Sidhu, I've got no information. I've been waiting to hear from Carol, the CEO. I've heard nothing at all. The stock is up, but we do have a flight now in March with SpaceX. So the stock is up, as you can see, 6%. We're looking very nice indeed now. 10% this week. That's why the stock is up. So if that's of any use to you, I hope that helps. Haraj. All right, we can like the super chats now. Yeah. If you feel like the tech sector will suffer the most when the bubbles finally burst, we'll probably see some pullback in other sectors, but not as bad, I think. No, because we're going to get the rates come down. So it's actually preparing for that, to be honest. No need for a video, just quick thoughts. Thank you. I hope that was any good. Accounts up 2.7 today, Jeffrey Diamond. My mum orders Chewy every week. Eric B. Didn't Chewy pop in Corona? Corona. I was thinking of the Corona drink for some reason. Bell soon, like Holo and Ukar. Bixby, Holo. Do you want a quick look at Holo? I just did a review on it. Be very careful of it. Holo is purely gambling, Chinese manipulation, and now it's gone all the way back down again, or at least it's gone back down from where it was. Let's remember, it was up as high as $50 at one point. Doesn't show it here, but it was, and it's gone back down today. We're down 25% today, so it's a gambler's club, that is. Best week I've ever had. Best week I've had, says Niels. Chewy looking okay, down 25 cents in the after hours. Have we heard from Martyn Racer since the Rockets failed saga? No. Well, yes, we have. I told you, he messaged me and said I haven't sold any shares. In fact, I bought some more. I found the next to do. The company is launching next week, and Nasal is doing millions of dollars of free advertising for them. Undervalued company, and will be hyped next week. I'd ask for a review. Anchor Investor. Well, you can ask for a review if you were a member. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member, and you can have a review. We're not adding any more reviews on the list, but if you want to super chat it and jump the list, you can. I'm doing a review on Monday. Someone just became a member and booked a Tesla review. That's Ladislav Koresh on Monday. So yeah, that's how to get a review done if you want it done. I'm from the Czech Republic. Guys, Ladislav Koresh. Do we have Czech Republic? We do, don't we? We do, don't we? We've got Czechoslovakia, the Czech Republic. Yes, we do. Let me put the flag on the screen. Zoj has become bronze. Would everybody please welcome Zoj to the show? We've got a new guest here. Where was Zoj from? He did tell me. It was from, is it Singapore? I've been to Singapore. Do you want to see where I went? Do you want to see? I've been all over the world. I've been to every country of the world, literally. Literally, when I say that, I literally mean it. I've toured the whole world. Singapore. Hang on, I'm typing it into my phone. Singapore. Why isn't that showing up? That's not right. Places, Singapore. Why ain't it coming up? Search. Oh well. I know I've got a photograph of me on a ship there. Singapore. It's not showing up. I don't know why that is. Oh well. I know I've been there. was trying to search it on my phone, but it wouldn't come up. Never mind. Anyway, yeah, look out for the Czech Republic badge. And Ladislav, is it Czech you speak? And Zoj, what country are you from? We've only got a few minutes to go. Jeffrey Diamond, Vincent Vosbert, should I sell my wrap? Should you sell your wrap? Well, there's a question and a half, isn't there? Hey, look, if you've made great money, you've made great money. See, I buy businesses. I don't buy share prices. That's why I'm investing in the S&P. I'm just buying the American economy. Anyway, Singapore. Zoj, so you're from Singapore. We're going to add, we've got the Singapore flag is now added. We've got 58 countries now. There's a Singapore flag. That's been added. Zoj, let me just speak to you. What's the native language in Singapore? What language is that in Singapore? I'm just looking now. Singapore. I don't know. I've got to be quick because we've got our premiere. Native language. Language in Singapore. The language of Singapore is Malay. Malay. Okay, let me try and do it. Speak to you in Malay. There it is. Let me drop that in there.
Hi.
Okay. Hi, Zoj, and welcome to the family. Thanks for becoming a member from Singapore. I have visited. It's a wonderful country. We are live every day, up to 10 hours a day. We aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. And tonight, we have our music concert. As you become a member of my channel, you get many perks, including you can ask me to review a stock, members-only chats, members-only live streams. Tonight, you can join us on the music show and have a request for a song. I will reply to all of your comments under my YouTube videos and support you on social media, plus a birthday card in my newsletter, which you can find the link for on my website. Welcome to the family.
Selamat datang kepada keluarga. Terima kasih kerana menjadi ahli dari Singapura. Saya telah melawati It's a Wonderful Country. Kami bersiaran langsung setiap hari sehingga 10 jam sehari. Kami berhasrat untuk menjadi saluran sebenar yang paling jujur di YouTube TV, dan malam ini kami mengadakan konsert muzik kami. Sebagai anda menjadi ahli saluran saya, anda mendapat banyak faedah, termasuk anda boleh meminta saya menyemak stok ahli, hanya berbual dengan ahli sahaja. Stream langsung malam ini, anda boleh menyertai kami di rancangan muzik dan meminta lagu. Saya akan membalas semua komen anda di bawah video YouTube saya dan menyokong anda di media sosial serta kad hari jadi dalam surat berita saya yang boleh anda temui pautannya di laman web saya. Selamat datang ke keluarga.
There we go. That was Malay for Zoj, who's just joined our show, just become a member of the family. Would everybody please welcome Zoj to the family? Your voices really sound different. All right, so everybody welcome Zoj. Let's welcome our new member from Singapore. Absolutely wonderful. There's the Singapore flag. You've just seen it go by. There you go. There you go. Welcome, Zodge, everybody. Need to get back to sleep. Market closed. Thanks again, guys. All right. Don't forget, I'll give you the Discord link now. You can now call into the show. You can share links in the Discord channel. There is the Discord link. You can get the newsletter as well. You get the birthday card. You can request a review. Many, many perks you can get as being a member. There are members-only live streams, members-only chats, lots and lots of things for you. So there you go. Please welcome everybody, Zodge, into the show. Right, I've got to go. We've got a review on Monday morning for Tesla, for Ladislav Koresh. So that's it from me. We've run out of time. It's now time to get off. And that's it. So we're now going to go over to the world premiere. We've got a premiere coming up in just a few minutes' time. This is what's going to happen. This live event where you are now will take you directly to this event. This was for Paul Knowles. Paul Knowles, are you here today? Paul Knowles, are you here? Here is your review. Is Mr. Mankey here? Ranveer Lavosia, Bill Oberkirsch. Is John McGillivray here? Tocas Charles, Michelle, Kevin B, or GoDB. If any of you are here, I've done all your reviews for you. So we're going to go live here now. Please do join us. Live Q&A. Keep the family together. Keep talking. Have a conversation. Right? This video, this is a live premiere video. Live chat will take you directly to the music concert, which is there on my music channel. It will link right across, and it's also on the homepage of this channel, so you can find it. And then after this live event, from my studio behind me, when I do a music evening with your favorite songs, hopefully we've got guests and friends joining us tonight from Norway, it'll go to the Vichy, which I say Vicky. I meant to say Vichy. I think it's Vichy. Maybe it's Vicky. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go with Vichy now. We're going to go to the Vichy analysis as well. So if you want to follow all of those things, you can. All right. So there you go. We're going to be here in just a few minutes' time. We're now up to 15,719 subscribers. We want to thank all our audiences tonight around the world. TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, of course, on Rumble. Thank you to all of you who are helping me win the competition on Rumble. Very excited to see what happens with that. But anyway, there you go. But that's what's coming up next. It's time now to get out of here. Get ready for Friday night is music night. And it's time for Day Trader of the Day. Are you up? Are you down? I am up 0.49%. There's my position. Who wins tonight? Is it me? Is it you? Who is it? Let's find out. Let's roll the credits. Roll the credits. So I'm up 0.49. Bixby Income Tax. Hello, Bixby Income Tax. If you are a YouTuber, a professional channel, if you are a silver member of my channel, I can put you on the home page of my channel. Get everyone subscribed to you. You can do giveaways on our show. I'm assuming you might be a YouTube channel. I can help you grow, get everyone to look at your channel. You can run giveaways, all kind of things, so you can rank #1 like I do on YouTube and Google. I'm here to help everybody. Let me just have a quick look. Are you a YouTuber? Yes, you are. You've got 11 subscribers, and I can get you hundreds of subscribers. I love doing it, should you wish to do that. All right, subscribers, Nick, Melody MI, Super Chats from Ladislav Koresh and Zodge. I got some money today from Singapore and Czechoslovakia. Can you believe it? What an international day. How cool is that? That's it from me. Right, who is winning tonight? Who is going to win tonight before we go into the premiere? Premiere is about to start any second now. Here it is. The winner tonight. I am up 0.49, up 2.5, 1.81, 4.73, 2.44 up or down 0.49, not invested in the S&P. up, says Art of Calm Music. Up a lot on one stock. That doesn't count. The winner is Art of Calm Music is our winner tonight. Congratulations to you. Congratulations. The premiere is about to start. After the premiere, do come and join us. Live Q&A, then directly then into the concert. Behind me tonight in my studio, it's party time. Get the beers. It's Friday night is music night. So come and join us for the live concert tonight. That's it from me. Thank you very much for joining me. It's now time for a world premiere, and then I'll see you straight back. That's it. I'll be back, of course, on Monday morning. Oh, hang on. No, I've got the Sunday show with Sensei, Cash in the Attic. Don't miss that. Then, of course, I'm back Monday morning, and the first thing I'll be doing for Ladislav Koresh from the Czech Republic is Tesla review. How exciting is that? I look forward to that. That's it from me. I've already got my request in. Sweet Caroline. I've seen it and I'm excited about it. All right, that's it from me. The premiere is about to begin. Do come and join us. As always, take care of your money. Take care of yourselves, your crypto and everything else. Join me for the music show. Come and join me for the world premiere, which starts in 44 seconds. Have a wonderful weekend. Sensei is legendary. Yes, he is. Live on the show on Sunday. And tonight's premiere, Vichy will take you directly to that show on Sunday. That's it from me. Have a wonderful evening. Join me live. The premiere's about to begin. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.